Obviously, it's a really big honor to have something this prestigious and this, this big awarded to me, and it feels really good to know that my goal for the future is something that other people can appreciate too.
Letter in the mail, I jumped up and hugged my sister and said, "Yay, I got it, I got it." I was so excited. I'm just very grateful to the school for all that.
At first, I was kind of like, no way, this is not happening. And then I did my dance, and I don't know if you want me to show that, but it's slightly embarrassing. So I'll go ahead and do it. I was like, yes. I don't know if I should have done that, but
Told me I was doing something else, but I told everyone around me and I started dancing around. I was excited.
When I received it, I looked at the envelope, but I called my mom. I was like, Mom, come here. It's a letter, and I opened it with her. And when I got it, I just started like screaming up and down. I was so excited.
when I first got the invitation, I was obviously incredibly excited. I called my dad, who was at work, and I called my sister, who goes to school in Virginia. I was just basically totally excited, going all the way around the house, just telling my family.
Well, I opened the envelope and I didn't really know what it meant, so I called my mom like freaking out, and I didn't know. She's like, "I think you got it," and I was just so in shock I didn't even know what to do.